So how do I manage taxes on Hostinger website builder? So before showing you how you can first of all set up your manual taxes on Hostinger, I'm first gonna share with you some of some important notes. So first of all, some things you have to remember that taxes are included in product prices. Taxes apply to total price of the card, include products plus shipping. To calculate the unit, the following formula is used, and this is actually the example. Now there's more example. I'll actually leave the link in the description of this video, and the link I'm talking about is the support Hostinger. Okay, and now what you're gonna have to do here is to go to online store and then here click on manage store, and then from here you're gonna have to click on marketing, and then here we have taxes. So to click on taxes and you can add tax rule. Okay, and now if you tax your tax region is the US or Brazil, you may create different tax zones per each state. Name the tax, add a name, add the country, and then the name here, tax name, tax rate. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below, and thanks for watching.